Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion or Lincoln MKZ. What's common between those three vehicles? The hybrid engine that they use. If you have a hybrid or hybrid energy vehicle guys and you have problems with the fuel injector, you need to see where the fuel injectors are located, how to replace a fuel injector. We will explain that in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's explain what we need to do. We'll open the hood on that Ford C-Max here, support it. That same engine has been used in Ford Fusion, Ford C-Max, Lincoln MKZ. So right here guys, you see you have the air intake here, you have one air intake here, you have another one going to the throttle body, so all that will not be visible here. But if you remove your upper engine cover, and if you want to see the video how to remove upper engine cover on Ford C-Max, Fusion or Lincoln MKZ hybrid, we have the video on the channel. Check it out, it will teach you how to do it. The moment you remove it guys, you get to your engine, it's quite open. Now I want to tell you one thing guys, okay, for fuel injectors you need two tools. This is one of them, okay. You will need that tool to disconnect the fuel line. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. And if you guys have a vehicle, I'll recommend to get a small scanner like that that can read the lead codes guys, and it can see live data. Put it guys in the glove box to have a peace of mind. If you get an engine code, you know what it is, because sometimes if you just have an engine code for a bad fuel injector, it's not good to drive with a bad fuel injector due to the fact guys that actually you'll be pumping extra fuel in the engine or not pumping fuel in the engine, which can affect it sometimes as well. But for a short distance of time, if you have a bad fuel injector, you can get to a safe place, okay, and get the car fixed. But in other cases, if it's something bad, you need to stop immediately and get it fixed before you cause more damage. So now if you look right here, this is your fuel rail. This engine is non-direct fuel injection engine. On the Ford Fusion, Ford C-Max, Focus, Lincoln MKZ, the regular engines, they're direct fuel injection, so it's more complicated. It's under the intake manifold. This one is on top, which makes it super convenient, because now if you look guys, okay, right here you have injector number 1, 2, 3 and 4 respectively. You can see cylinder number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if you have bad injector on cylinder number 3, it's this one, cylinder number 1 here, 2 and 4 respectively. How you guys disconnect them? First you have to disconnect the car battery on your car, okay. Make sure you don't have any voltage. You have fire extinguisher on the side guys. Okay, let's get fire extinguisher to show you, because you can catch on fire. So I'll recommend not to do it unless you're experienced mechanic guys. Also, don't work on hot engine, let it sit overnight to get cool, because if you spill fuel on hot parts of the engine, you can catch on fire as well. Don't smoke, don't open flames, sparks, anything like that. Then you guys need to have eye protectors, glasses for fuel and fuel resistant gloves. And right here you need to disconnect the fuel line. For any of you that don't know how to disconnect the fuel line, we have a special video that explains how to disconnect fuel line on Ford guys on our main YouTube channel, Auto Repair guys. Check it out, it will teach you how to do that. The moment you disconnect the fuel line, we have right here, okay, you need to remove that nut. Underneath there is another nut that you need to remove, one here, and you'll be able to pull the fuel injectors out, remove the spring, and you will be able to replace the injector that you need. Later, I'll recommend to put new seals on all the injectors, lubricate them, push them in, put everything in place. But that's the procedure guys, okay, to get to the injectors in case you need to replace them. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.